Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel, MakerMind Nexus. Reason I'm doing this is because I've been telling a lot of people about this idea I had for the 3D printer rehab project. What exactly is that? So, a lot of us have 3D printers, old printers that have just been sitting around collecting dust. One day I'll get to it. Well, my goal here is to rehab those old printers and then just give them away to people who are less fortunate, low income, organizations that work with the youth, as well as any other schools, groups, things like that. What I would like to do is I want to get these printers in the hands of those who can definitely use them. Maybe some people who are going down a bit of a destructive path, who are looking for a creative outlet. They can use 3D printing for that. So my hope is that I'll be able to build 3D printers here on the channel, get them out to people in the community, whether it be here locally to me or to others in general. The whole thought is that if you have an old printer, get with me. We'll figure out how to get that printer to me, whether it be through meetups at events, things of that nature. But I'll take those old printers, rebuild them here on the channel, and then we will give those away either to, again, people local to my area, or if you have someone in mind that you would like to get that to, I'll take care of doing the rebuild on the printer or the rehab on the printer. You take care of the shipping situation, getting that printer to that person, whether it's through a meetup of some kind or I box it up and we ship it out, however that will be. I just have been very passionate about 3D printing for some time now. And since 2018, 2019, and in the last 3 to 4 years, I've given away well over 20 printers, printers that were given to me by other members of the community, printers I've purchased myself and then just given away, friends, family, and I want to keep that going. And I want to see us breathe new life into old machines. So if you have an old machine that's just sitting there collecting dust, taking up space, and you keep saying, one day I'll get to it, and you haven't gotten to it, consider just contacting me. Get a hold of me. I will be more than happy to rebuild that printer here on the channel. You can follow along, friends and family, whoever, even maybe the person who receives the printer after the fact. Maybe they can come back to these videos and see what process we went through to get that printer to them. Or maybe you're watching the videos, watching the streams, and you're having a similar problem. You can follow along or go back and watch the old videos and see if there was issues you were having and what steps I took to fix the issue for myself. I'm not necessarily a how-to channel. I'm just a person with a passion and skills, hopefully enough, to get these printers working and get them into the hands of those who can use them. So I do currently, at the time of making this lovely little video here for the channel, I do currently have 2 official sponsors, along with myself, obviously, and then the members of the community that gift memberships, super chats, things like that. I have Polymaker, which Polymaker is providing filament to the people who receive these printers. There'll be filament, so they have some filament to get started in with the printing. And MicroSwiss. MicroSwiss is coming on board to provide, they have a lot of products that are maybe scratch and dent or B-stock products, stuff that is still good functionally, but maybe not, maybe not as good physically. So rather than, have it sitting around, they're going to send me those products. Again, Polymaker is providing filament for whoever receives these printers, as well as Polymaker. On Tuesday nights, I do a giveaway on the stream for a roll of Polymaker filaments. So if you come by one of the Tuesday night streams between 5 and 7 Central Standard Time, you could potentially win yourself a roll of filament. So this is a very near and dear to me project, and I do hope that you will come along for the journey, enjoy what you see, and maybe help spread the word. Whether that's through spreading the word to those who have hardware that can get that to me. More than happy to take in community donations of boards, any kind of miscellaneous part, as well as printers, because obviously the more printers we have, the more printers we can rehab and then get to the hands of more people. I do need to reach out to some more companies. I am hoping that other companies will like what they hear, like what they see, and want to join in on the project, because obviously they have a quicker access to some of the things that I may need. Control boards, screens, belts, pulleys, tensioners. There's a lot of parts that go into these machines, and the more companies that kind of hop on board with this, it'll definitely make the project move a lot smoother and help us get those old printers off the shelf, out of your home, and into the hands of someone that can use it. So I do hope, again, that you guys come, hang out, have fun, like what you see, help spread the word. And we kind of jokingly over the last few streams came up with a slogan of making older printers gooder. And that's GOOD apostrophe R and OLD apostrophe R, because why not be silly, right? So we're making older printers gooder, and I like that because it's just playful like we are. So again, thank you for coming, hanging out. Hope you guys enjoy the streams. Hope you guys enjoy whatever other content shows up on the channel. And my usual routine: stay out of trouble, stay out of jail, happy 3D printing, and all the things, as well as we're going to make older printers gooder. Bye, guys.